across the street. It's a drizzly, crazy, windy, nasty day out. And I'm saying, man, what kind of predicament am I in? And I said, I'm trying to let go. I'm trying to let it be. All these expressions, but nothing's working. Finally, I just looked up. My hat blew off my head. The rain is pounding down. I said, oh, I get it. Sometimes you just gotta let it rain. Am I right? Am I right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right. Let it rain.
There is.
There it is.
What can you do when your faith is gone and you can't go on to face even another day? And what can you say when your hope is lost and for any cost you just can't find your way? There's a storm a-raging and it's rolling over the hill. I said the dark clouds are pouring, they're pouring down on my windowsill. I'm gonna let the rain, let the rain wash away the pain. I'm gonna let it rain until the sun comes out again. Well, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Well, sometimes it's for the best just to walk away and forget the story that you believed in yesterday. And sometimes you find that you can live your life and take back your power and stake a claim on some peace of mind. There's a storm a-raging and it's rolling over the hill. The dark clouds, they've opened up again and they're pouring down on my windowsill.
Don't let it get to you.
I'm gonna let the rain,
Let it rain.
let the rain wash away the pain. I'm gonna let it rain until the sun comes out again. I'm let it rain, 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 let it rain until the sun I said, I know that the sun